So we'll roll the... Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. That's 7 uploads in 7 days, 7 shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels. If you're interested in participating, check the description below. Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. I'll just go over the rules really quick. First rule, number 1, have fun. I'll get back to that rule in a second. Rule number 2, the gist of it is 7 uploads, 7 days, 7 shoutouts. So any YouTubers out there that want to do that. So back to rule number 1, have fun. It can be shorts, it can be a full-length video, you can just do the shoutouts. Just 7 shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels in 7 days. There's no deadline and there's no callouts, so just because I give you a shoutout doesn't mean you have to do 7 uploads. Rule number 3, use hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge in your title or description or anywhere in your upload. And rule number 4, leave a comment on one of my shoutouts just saying I accept. And that is the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. So for today, I'm going to do a 2-for. And I don't think they'll mind because they're really good buddies. So my 2 shoutouts today are going to be Paddy Joe Cooking and the Dude's Kitchen and Grill. So Paddy Joe Cooking, that's Patrick. He's from Down Under. He just does all these wonderful creative dishes. He just kind of, it looks like he just throws it together and magic happens. It's incredible. So check out Paddy Joe Cooking. And the second shout out is the Dude's Kitchen and Grill. He does a lot of great outdoor cooking. So he's a man after my own heart. I love being outdoors. I love cooking outdoors. I love eating outdoors. This is a great channel. This is an awesome channel. So check out the Dude's Kitchen and Grill. New episode every Monday, from time to time on Thursday, as well as a weekly talk show on Wednesday. So in honor of the dude, I'm going to make a drink. I'm going to invent a drink in honor of the Dude's Kitchen and Grill. So I call this a hot Donny. This is a Big Lebowski reference. So in the Big Lebowski, the main character loved to drink White Russians. So I'm going to make a hot White Russian, and I'm going to call it a hot Donny. That's another reference. Leave in the comment section below if you have a favorite quote from the Big Lebowski. Mine is, "You're out of your element, Donny." So White Russian, we got vodka. Got the good stuff today, a little goose. And this is going to be a hot drink, so I don't need any ice. That's a good schwack of vodka. And then usually Kahlua, I have a rum and coffee liqueur. It's Cafe Del Mar. So it's good tiki tropical theme outdoors, just like the dude likes to make. Okay, and then I have my cappuccino maker. So I just frothed some milk. Try to do some kind of fat in the milk. It froths better. I think I did 3% here. And I have a couple coffee beans for garnish. And that's what I call a hot Donny. So that's for you, the Dude's Kitchen and Grill. Okay, so next up, I gotta try to impress Patrick from Down Under for Paddy Joe's Cooking. He's a mad genius. I'm gonna really try to do something creative. There's no way I'll be able to match Patrick, but what I'm gonna try to do is, I haven't done this method before, but I'm gonna take some chicken breasts. I'm gonna brine it in dill pickle brine, or just the liquid from leftover dill pickles. And so I'm gonna brine it overnight, and then I'm gonna make fried chicken. And I'm going to do dill pickle brine fried chicken and waffles. And we're going to do that for Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I'm going to make it in small portions for little appetizers. So we'll roll the intro for Appies with Chappy by the lake. Here we go. got some chicken breast, and it's just brining in some dill pickle brine. We're gonna let that brine overnight. All right, so I got my chicken that's been brining overnight. It looks like the acidity kind of slightly cooked it. Egg wash, some panico crumbs, and then I got this. It's called crispy fry, and it's spicy from the Philippines. I just breathed in some of that spicy crispy fry breading mix. It looks like some kind of spicy flour. So a good way to remember how to do the order of the chicken is the month Feb. So the month of Feb. Flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. That's my panko Japanese breadcrumbs. So I got a nice chicken tender there that's been marinating in my dill pickle brine. So we'll give it the crispy fry. And then the egg wash. And then some panico breadcrumbs. And I seasoned the breadcrumbs. It looks like the crispy fry is already seasoned. And got a little bit of peanut oil today. Alright, so I just have one waffle that I cut into quarters. Alright, so I let that chicken rest a little bit, and I cut it into halves. Gonna give a little hit of hot sauce. I got some Frank's Red Hot. And I was gonna just leave it savory, but I am from Canada, so we got some maple syrup. And that's my dill pickle brine chicken and waffles for Appies with Chappy by the lake. Appies with Chappy by the lake. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I've really tried to outdo myself and impress Patrick from Paddy Joe Cooking. These are my dill pickle brine fried chicken and waffles. So we're gonna do a drink to go with that. I don't think I'm gonna outdo my hot Donny. So I'm just gonna make a very basic drink. It's called a Sambucca Twist. So I got a glass of ice. We'll go an ounce of Sambucca. Half ounce of sweet and sour. And a little bit of OJ. And an orange garnish. And that is my Sambucca Twist to go with my dill pickle brine fried chicken and waffles. Make sure you subscribe to both those channels. Alright, thanks guys, it's been a lot of fun. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, this is Mookie. Make sure you give us a like and a subscribe. Mookie says life is hard, that's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.